Hi parents and guardians, this is Dr. Moore, principal at Van Alstyne Middle School. Wanted to go through a quick slideshow with you to help orient you with our middle school, and hopefully this will help answer some of your questions. So the agenda for this slideshow is we will go over behavior expectations, drop off and pick up procedures, dress code, our late work and our redo retest policies, our STAR card program, academic support and tutoring, the communication tools we use, and our COVID-19 protocols for this year. So our behavior expectations with our students is we ask them to be prompt, be polite, be prepared, and be productive. And our big motto here at Van Alstyne Middle School is be kind, work hard. We really want to see our kids treat each other with kindness and with respect. And if they go to their class and work hard, that's all we ask for them to do is just be kind and work hard. We also tell them if it's not nice, don't say it. And if it's not yours, don't touch it. Our drop-off procedures in the morning, our building opens at 7:25. All students must enter through the south side doors, which is the south doors facing the parking lot. It's at the end of our 7th grade hallway. This is the set of doors where our thermal camera is located. And so that's the doors that they need to come in through so we can monitor their temperature. Breakfast starts at 7:25 and will be served until 7:55. And when students arrive in the morning, they will go directly to first period. The tardy bell rings at 8:05. The warning bell will ring at 8 o'clock, but we will start instruction at 8:05. Pickup procedures in the afternoon. Carpool pickup is in the south side of the building, which is the same spot where you will drop off in the morning. The front of the building is closed for carpool. The front of the building is for bus pickup only after school. Bus riders go to the cafeteria after school and wait for their bus to be called, and we dismiss at 3:38. Our dress code here at the middle school, if students wear leggings or yoga pants, they must wear something that covers the leggings or yoga pants, such as a dress, skirt, or shirt, and that needs to come 2.5 inches above the knee. No holes in jeans that show skin. So students will wear leggings or have a patch behind a hole so we don't see skin through the hole in their jeans. Hair must be a natural hair color. So students can have highlights and things like that, but it must be a natural hair color. So if your child did color their hair over the summer, please make sure you get that taken care of before school starts. Shorts and skirts must be no more than 2.5 inches above the knee, about the width of a dollar bill. And students can wear flip-flops, sandals, slides, things like that. But please remember that they have PE every day, so you might need to have them carry some tennis shoes with them so they can participate in PE. Grading information, we have a late work policy here where when the teacher asks for something to be due, if they turn it in the following day, then it's considered late and it's minus 11 points. And then after that, it would be a 0. Please know that with our 6th graders that we're getting, we are going to give them some grace and leniency in order to get them accustomed to middle school and balancing several teachers. So we know that will be an adjustment for our students. Just know this is our policy, but we are going to work with the 6th graders to help get them to where they can manage several teachers and several classes. Once a student does earn a 0, that will be Saturday school. And Saturday school is from 8 until noon on Saturdays. A teacher will always reach out to you and let you know that your child has a 0 and needs to take care of it in Saturday school. Mrs. Timpanero, our assistant principal, also follows up with a phone call home just to make sure the parent is aware and see if they have any questions. The first time a student does earn a 0, we call that a grace 0. That's where we leave Saturday school to be optional. And so that is a parent choice as to whether or not your child makes up that 0. If you choose for them not to attend Saturday school, then the 0 goes in the grade book. After the first 0 they earn, when they earn a second 0, then Saturday school becomes mandatory. Our redo retest policy, any daily grade that's a 79 or lower can be redone and they can make up to an 80. Assignments must be completed within 5 days if they're going to redo an assignment, and this must be a student-initiated process. Tests can also be corrected, or they can retake a test to earn half of their points back. So for example, if your child makes a 50 on a test, they can get half of their points back. So they can earn up to 25 points back and actually turn that 50 into a 75. They do have 5 days to complete this, and that's from the time that they receive their paper back. And this is also a student-initiated process. Our Star Card program, this is just a way for us to reward kids here at our school. In order to earn a Star Card, students can have no office referrals, no more than 1 lunch detention. They cannot be absent from a class more than 3 times. That includes excused and unexcused absences. No more than 2 tardies to class. That includes morning tardies, and no zeros. So Star Cards are passed out at the end of each 9 weeks. And these cards come with special privileges, such as leaving 2 minutes early for lunch. We have Star Card hat days, Star Card break the dress code days, Star Card treats after school, or ice cream days. And so the privileges come with that card. If a student loses their Star Card, we do not replace the Star Cards. Students who receive 3 out of 4 Star Cards will go on an end of the year trip, or sometimes we have something here on campus. And so they earn that right at the end of the year. But if a student serves time in ISS at any point, they are not eligible for the Star Card that 9 weeks, and they're not eligible for the end of the year trip. Academic support and tutoring. Teachers do have tutoring schedules that they can share with you. We do have a homework lab that's open daily from 7:30 to 8 and from 3:40 to 4 in the afternoon. Our library is open before and after school for a quiet place to read. And we do have mandatory tutoring for students who are failing a class. And so teachers will definitely reach out to parents with failing students to organize something where they come in for tutoring. We do offer community service awards here at Van Alstyne Middle School. In order to earn an award at the end of the year, a student must have a minimum of 10 hours documented. We do have an online log where students can log these community service hours, and that link is found on our website. All of the hours are due by Monday, May 3rd, and the community service awards are given at the end of the school year during the award ceremony. Communication, please sign up for our newsletters. If you have not signed up for a newsletter, you can find that link on our middle school webpage. There's a link for that. And also connect to the Van Alstyne Middle School Facebook page. We post a lot there. And every grade level will have a Remind account. Please make sure you're connected to that. Parent Portal is also great. It's a great place to look at your child's grades, any missing assignments. You can also see their attendance on there as well. Students will have 8 class periods here at the middle school. Remember, at the middle school level, more responsibility does fall on the student. And so we encourage students to talk to teachers if they're struggling with something. We really want to make sure that they communicate with their teachers. Check over your child's planner with them. That's for our 6th grade students. They will have a planner. Make sure you're checking their planner and seeing anything that's going to be due or any upcoming test. And encourage your child to talk to their teachers about any concerns that they have. And you're welcome to email teachers if you have a concern. So our COVID-19 protocols for this year, this is just a few of the things that we're going to do. Water fountains will be turned off. Your child will need to bring a water bottle to school. There will be some refill stations on campus. There's 3 water bottle refill stations that we have. When they bring their water bottle, please make sure it's labeled with their name. We have several kids on campus, and it will be difficult to keep up with the water bottles that do not have names on them. They will have to wear a mask that covers their nose and their mouth, and that must be worn at all times until the governor orders are lifted, and then we can share additional information with you. We're only allowing 4 students at a time in the restroom, and so we're going to ask kids to help us monitor and make sure that if there's 4 students in there, they need to wait until they enter the restroom. And all students will be required to enter through our south entrance. Again, this is the entrance that has the thermal camera that checks temperatures of every individual that comes into the building. We're really excited about this school year. Please feel free to reach out to myself or to Mrs. Timpanero, our assistant principal. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to talk to you. And also your child's teachers. If you have anything that you need to share with them or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to one of them as well. We think it'll be a great school year, and we're looking forward to it. Y'all have a great day.